What's up guys, it's your girl Imani here, back for another video. And today, as you can see, we are doing my nighttime hair routine video. I don't know if I'm actually titling it that, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But anyway, you guys, so my morning hair routine video and my nighttime is not super different. We got little tweaks here and there. But I wanted to show you guys what I have been doing now that I am trying to get my hair in a healthier state, what I'm doing at nighttime for it. So if you are interested, just stick around. Before we get into it, I do have something to ask you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below. I think it's in this corner. It's that red box right there that says subscribe. It is free to do, so why not? And you know that there's always a consequence for not doing it, you know. Today, if you don't subscribe, you know, this time the little fairies, they're coming in and they are giving you split ends. That might have been the consequence before, but you don't want that to happen. Alright, so hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure you hit that bell, that post notification button, so you are notified every time I make a new video, because your girl is consistent now. Okay. I am trying to post more in the month of December. We're not doing no Vlogmas, but you will see me more in December, so make sure you hit that bell. Other than that, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, y'all, is take this band off because this thing is hurting my head. I need to just like wear my hair out. Like, I'm tired of this. Y'all use what do y'all use something that doesn't hurt your head as much? Like, this doesn't hurt my head too much, but I definitely get that little headache by the end of the day, and I just feel all that relief when I take that band off. Yes, Jesus. So I got my water bottle as usual. I'm actually gonna fill it up with some more water right now because we need a lot more than this. Y'all thought that I put a lot of water on my head in the morning? Whoo, child. We'll be back. That seems about enough, you know, but it might need like a gallon more, I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to spray my head, get it nice and wet, and I could just do this in the shower. I mean, y'all could do this in the shower, but the thing about me is I'm gonna go overboard and I'm gonna like drench my hair as if I'm ready to wash it, and we're just not there yet. I do need to wash my hair, but that's not happening tonight. Never stop spraying. If you don't remember anything else, never stop spraying. So once my hair is, oh wait, hold on. Managed to leave out like this piece for some reason. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm actually going to go ahead and get a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil for this, the same olive oil I've been using in all my other videos. And I'm just taking a very tiny bit. I'm not putting it on the rest of my hair right now. Very tiny bit, just because you guys know from my morning routine that I do put Gorilla Snot. I put Gorilla Snot on my baby hair, so this, I just use it over here before I do anything else, just to get this Gorilla Snot off in a gentle manner, because any other way and it's just not a good time. Alright, now that that's off, so the slight difference besides that oil thing is that I'm not going ahead and putting moisturizer in my hair. I'm putting my leave-in conditioner, my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and it's actually running very low. I'm actually like, I think I want a different leave-in conditioner on my naturals, especially my 4C gals. Please comment below what kind of leave-in conditioner you use, because I'm so interested in trying something new. And you know your girl like the inexpensive stuff, so if it's, you know, on the cheaper side, I definitely want to hear about it. So yes, please comment that below. Let me know what y'all use and if you like it, if you feel like I should try it out. Okay, so I'm just rubbing this all through my hair, and y'all know I gotta focus on, oh, I'm out of focus. Y'all know I gotta focus on this spot right here in the middle of my head, because I refuse to let this stay the way it is. Alright, and just because I don't know how to leave well enough alone, I'm gonna grab just a little bit more. The back and the middle. Does anybody else do that? Like, they kind of not get that back and middle very well until they go back in it the second time? Maybe that's just me, because I'm a child. There we go. Alright, and I'm actually not gonna rub any of this out of my hair, like with a towel or a, what that joint called? A t-shirt. because I like for it to just sit in my hair overnight. I don't know, it just feels like something I should do. And now I'm gonna take my castor oil that I got, that I show in every video. And I like castor oil to seal because it's just like super thick. And I'm just rubbing it through my hair. I'm gonna take a little bit more because, you know, I'm a child and I don't get the back of my hair very well, which is why I should separate it into 4. But you know, I'm just trying to go to bed. Like, I'm not trying to do all that. Yo, this looks dope though. Like if I wipe the leave-in conditioner out, like this would make a dope little fro. Like if I was going out for the night. But the way my shrinkage is set up, y'all. And now I'm just trying to get it all together. How? I don't know, because I don't plan on using like a rubber band. I'm just trying to like get it together temporarily while I go and get this. My little bonnet, you know. We're cheetah sisters. We make a perfect family. No, we're nothing. What's the words? Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm just going to throw that on top of my head. And that is it. That is my nighttime routine. It's gonna be all matted down by the end. Not matted like in a bad way, but y'all know it's gonna be all like weird looking in the morning, but that's okay because it's moisturized, it is sealed. I got that gel off my head and I'm ready to go. Like my hair, 2019, my hair is coming for you, boo. We doing big things next year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Let's see if we can make 25 likes. I always say 25 or 30, I don't know, but let's see if we can do 25 likes. Again, comment below some of the products that you use for your nighttime routine. Please let me know what leave-in conditioner you use because I am looking to switch to something that is affordable yet very, 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 very good for my 4C hair. Now let me get my little cheetah butt ass into the tub and then I'm going to bed. I hope you guys enjoy your night. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.